Just throw coffee on the candles. The repellent factories will go crazy with this video. It is easy and quick to make your own natural repellent. No reason not to. To start our tip, we need a candle. With the help of a vegetable peeler, I will remove the part of the paraffin. We will only need the wick of the candle. For this advice that we will do, tell me if you have any homemade tips to scare away insects. I'd love to know. I always use it mainly in the kitchen and bathroom. For the next step, we will use coffee. The necessary to almost complete the container. You can use any brand you like. I will put the coffee in the container until it is full. The amount is ideal for use. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Lionel Laviolette. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Here I am using a spoon to make the coffee uniform inside the container. I always do this tip in my home. I'm sure you'll get into your routine the way you got into mine. Never again will you have to spend money on these expensive repellents sold in conventional markets. It's amazing how efficient it is. I'm sure you'll come back to thank me for teaching me this tip. Since we only use natural products to make our candle, do not need to be afraid to leave inside your home. To increase the efficiency of our product, I will add a little clove. You can use the amount you prefer. This part is to taste. They have an odor that, when released, scares away all kinds of insects, especially mosquitoes and flies. Best of all, they also perfume the whole environment with a light and natural aroma. Do it at home, and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love the result of this advice. Now, with the help of a toothpick, I will make a hole in the coffee. That's where we'll put the wick from the candle we took before. Now you just need to light the wick of the candle to start using our advice. After I started using in my home, I never had problems with mosquitoes, flies, and even cockroaches. The ideal is even to use this tip next to doors and windows, thus even preventing insects from entering your home. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you very much for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.